Hi there and welcome to the 10K training tracks cohort thing. Now the first thing to say is that everything is still pretty much the same as it is on YouTube. So if you either ever get lost, if you lose your connection, if I lose my connection and you're like, what's going on? Then just go to the 10K playlist on my YouTube channel and you will find what the sessions are for that week, okay? So that may make you think, well, why have I bothered being part of this training tracks thing? And the difference here is that it's about accountability, but it's also about tracking how you're getting on and sharing your experience with other people. So that's the point of why I've asked you to register for the Training Amigos website and to sign up for the discussion forum. Because the point is, this is what you do. You row your session on your own, okay? So this isn't about us all doing it at the same time on Xer or something. It's about just row your session. We might do something on Xer, if just let me know, we'll do it. But you row your session and then you go to the Training Amigos website, you go to the 10K discussion forum and you say, today was a 30-minute row at 20 strokes a minute. I hate 20 strokes. Let's not say that. I love 20 strokes a minute. And you kind of put it in and you tell people how you got on with it. And then somebody else will then reply and kind of go, oh, you love 20 strokes a minute. Well, so do I and whatever. And then you suddenly go, oh, kindred spirit and things. And then you share how you get on with the fast stuff, the long stuff, the short stuff. And you all help each other out. And trust me, when you start to see how other people are getting on in their workouts, regardless of the pace, it doesn't matter whether you do a 20 strokes a minute low intensity at 230 and someone else does it at 150. You're both kind of putting in the same amount of effort, that low intensity effort for you, and you're sharing that experience and you start to help each other. You start to help other people. You comment on what they've done and you let them know that how they feel is right. And trust me, I'll keep saying trust me, it's because it's true. Because you will get the benefit from this. You'll help other people and you will get help from other people by doing it. And it's the real flaw on what I do on YouTube is that I just punt everything out there and you're left to your own devices. And that's what this is about. So I am now here to also help you. So when you post stuff onto the Training Amigos discussion forum, I see it and I will comment, I will help. If you say, oh, I was rowing at 30 strokes a minute today and I didn't get a good workout, I will comment, well, there's a good chance that you're not pushing with your legs and stuff. So I will be there to coach you, to help you. So this is a coached plan. So the big thing is why is it free? Mostly because I want to try and I want to advertise it. I want to get this out there that I do this. I've already run the 2K plan and the 5K plan. I've done I've just a row fit cycle. I'm currently doing a half marathon plan at the same time. But I just want more people to know about this because I think it's really useful for you to be able to do this kind of thing. And of course, when it comes around again, then there's going to be some kind of a money kind of thing attached to it. So it's really just advertising. I want to put this out there so you can go, hey man, that worked. I got faster. I've got fitter. I've got whatever, stronger. That should be my logo. And so you'll then come back for more. And it's kind of what I'm trying to do here. And the other thing, of course, is that I have just also released an app. There's the RowAlong app. And you can access my videos for free within that app as well. So if you go to your app store, whether it's Google or Apple, and just type in the RowAlong app, you can download my app for free. You can access the videos and the podcasts within the app. If you want all the extra bells and whistles that are in there, then there's a fee, but you don't have to use them. It's there for you to use to access the videos. That might be much more convenient than trying to go through youtube.com and all that kind of stuff. I probably lose out on hits and things by doing it that way, but it's about giving you access to the workouts. So it all kicks off on Monday, the 7th of April. Currently, right now, it's Sunday, the 6th of April. So there's only a day between. But if you've watched this video, if you've come to this forum and you're like, hey, am I a bit too late? No, you're not. The chances are, if you come to week 3, this is an 8-week plan. If you come and start this in week 3, it's perfectly fine. All it means is you've missed a couple of weeks training. Hopefully you've got some kind of base fitness. You can pick up where it was. So it's okay. Anybody can jump in at any point. What I'd ask, or what I'd kind of hope, is that you'll hang around, that you'll do the entire thing. What would be great is if you did a 10K time trial now, and then you did the whole training plan, and then you did a 10K time trial at the end of it, and you could go, bonza, mate, I've got so much faster because of going through all of this plan. And you share it with other people, and you say, hey man, that RowAlong guy's training works because I'm so much faster now, and more people will come in, all right? So what I'm kind of doing with this is just trying to kind of give it to you so that you can see how it works for you, so that you can tell a buddy, you can come back and we can all be better. We can all realize that actually this machine rocks when you use it right. And I'm going to help you use it right. So it doesn't matter whether you're on a Concept 2, a water rower, a skill rower, Domyo's, whoever it's called, thing from Decathlon. It doesn't matter what machine you use. What matters is how you use it, and I am here to help you with that, all right? So this intro's gone on a lot longer than I intended it to, but hey, I'm in a ranting mood. I've just did the live row, and I'm in a bit of a rant mood, so I thought I'd just could talk away to you. So we're all going to start off on week 1, session 1. So you do week 1, session 1, you come back here and you reply to that session and you go, oh, this is how I got on with it. And then you can come back and you can read how other people do. My experience with this over the past couple of plans is that it's a little bit of a slow burner. People kind of go all the time on the thing. But eventually, once you start to get to know the personalities and people start to reply to you, this becomes a really good little social hub of people that are helping each other, to the point that I can then kind of back off a little bit because you're all just answering each other anyway, and I don't have to say as much. And that's kind of the perfect world, isn't it? So, right, so there we go. Good luck with this. If you've got any questions at all, just ask. That's why I'm here, okay? If you've got any questions about technique, about what you should be doing, about what the session means, just get in touch. You can either DM me on here, or you can just reply to the post that I've left here, and I will answer you, okay? Oh, there was an and I can't remember what it was. It should come to me, but it's not going to. So I'll probably put in the reply later, kind of say, this is what it is. Oh man, that's annoying when it goes, isn't it? When you think of something and it's gone. So listen, this is a teaser of what my videos are like. Stream of consciousness. So thank you so much for being part of this. Do enjoy everything that I put out here. Or if you don't enjoy it, let me know. Tell me. Just say, listen, man, you just talk too much. Stop, in which case just hit the mute button. That's my suggestion, all right? So good luck with the plan. I will see you. Oh, there we go. I've got it. I'm going to do training calls as well. So hopefully you're still here. I'm going to do weekly calls or bi-weekly calls, and I need to work out the format of that and like time scales and all that kind of stuff, like time zones. But there is going to be like a Zoom or Google call thing where we can all jump on, we can all have a chat together, talk about what's going on. So keep an eye out on the discussion forum for them, and we'll work out the best way to do it. The question and answer, ask me anything thing, all right? So until then, look after yourselves, row well, be well, enjoy the plan. Thank you for being part of this. Goodbye.